Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you lock your Facebook profile by using your computer. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application. And after opening the Facebook application, simply go to your profile by clicking into this profile icon here. And now after coming to Facebook profile, simply click into this three dot into here. And after clicking to three dots, you can see this many options such as view as, search, profile status and many more. You can see this lock profile into the second last. Click into that. And then it will say lock your profile and how locking works. You can read it if you want and click to this lock your profile option. By clicking into that, your profile will successfully be locked. Click into OK and then you are all set. You have successfully logged your Facebook profile. By following these very easy steps, you can also lock your Facebook profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.